JBI is an international research organisation that's based in Adelaide, South Australia. JBI produces tools and resources to help nurses and allied health professionals to make good decisions at the point of care.
We work directly with healthcare organisations, with individuals even, that have clinical questions and they want an answer to, but might not have time or capacity or skills and resources to develop an evidence-based answer to a clinical question.
Evidence-based healthcare is important for so many different reasons, but when I think about one of the main reasons, it's because it improves the lives of people every day.
That trajectory of moving evidence from the research realm to the practice realm has been inherent in JBI's model, which is really a complete ecosystem that marks that trajectory of evidence all the way and its use all the way through. And I'm proud to be part of an organisation that's actually recognised that and all the different pieces of the puzzle that are required to facilitate that process to improve patient outcome.
JBI has a very broad conceptualisation of what evidence is, and that's because we work with multidisciplinary practitioners to answer the questions that they need.
And I also think we're quite unique because we span across all the areas of evidence-based practice. We make significant contributions to the global evidence ecosystem. We also do significant work in the methodology section, the translational science section, and importantly, the implementation of actual evidence into practice.
Having this evidence-based practice culture is extremely important for us to deliver safe and quality patient care, knowing why we do things like this, knowing the evidence base for our clinical practice.
The JBI approach to evidence implementation, it provides a structured approach to clinicians on how they can facilitate the uptake of best practice recommendations in their clinical practice.
JBI tools and resources are extremely practical, and so all of our clinicians, like especially if you are a physiotherapist or occupational therapist, we don't have much time, so these tools are very easy to follow. Practical, and it really fits into a very busy environment.
We genuinely try to foster open and honest partnerships and relationships, understanding that the crises that we face worldwide are too big for one organisation, and there's great strength in collaboration.
I think about our logo, and it's the red pebble is, you drop a small red pebble and it creates this ripple effect that gets broader and broader, and that's how I see the collaboration, is that we're all making these small changes in our local settings, but ultimately these small changes are going to have a huge impact across the globe.
There's such a buzz with meetings with the JBI collaboration. And despite the fact that it's growing at an incredible rate, we still seem to have managed to create this sense of family and belonging.
In JBI, it's around a common mission and vision, informed by a model that brings everyone together, regardless of their culture, context, regardless of the domain of practice that they work or study within.
I think when everybody is working together and believes in that mission, then everybody finds value in what they do and enjoys being together and working toward that goal, and it really feels like a team.
I see this core team that's based in Adelaide, South Australia, that is so committed to their work, the attention to detail that goes on with the production of resources, evidence summaries, the sort of work that we do as a journal team. And the people are just so passionate about what they're doing.
It is very fulfilling to work with so many colleagues that are so passionate about the same goal, that we're all committed to evidence-based healthcare, to improve patient treatment, patient outcomes.
What brings us together isn't a methodology that I like. It's that this is important. And what we're trying to achieve here together is really important. And it's really nice, it's fantastic to be a part of a group of like-minded individuals who recognise the importance of that mission and vision and have similarly contributed to the way we go about achieving it.
It is a joy to rock up to work, and we do excellent work with really good people all around the world, and it's really nice to feel like I'm making a difference.